Welcome to the Sneaker Teacher channel. Today we're going to be using the midpoint formula. So midpoint is literally finding the point that's exactly in the middle between the two endpoints of a segment. We have a nice formula with the midpoint formula. So we have x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. What you're finding here is the average of the x coordinates and average of the two y coordinates, and that gets you that middle point. Because when we find the average of something, we add the items up and divide by the number of the items. So we have two endpoints, add them together, we're dividing by 2. We're going to do that for your x coordinates and your y coordinates. I have a couple strategies here for you. Label your coordinates. It does not matter which one is considered your first point or your second point. Just label them so when you plug them in, you don't mix and match. We're going to plug it into our equation. So -3 plus a -8 divided by 2, -9 plus 6 divided by 2. And then I'm going to go ahead and simplify. So a negative plus another negative gets us another negative, so -11 over 2, and then a -3 over 2. And that is your midpoint. I know some of us have a feeling about fractions, so go ahead and feel free to write these as decimals if it's a non-repeating decimal. So you could rewrite this as -5.5, comma, -1.5. Also, do not forget to put parentheses around your coordinates. They need a hug. And I'm your Sneaker Teacher. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you've got questions or want another problem. Don't forget to subscribe, keep your kicks fresh, and stay irrational.